Well, hello there, all you amazing people. We are going to do a quickie today because I got a lot of questions about this little thing down here underneath me. This little rounded thing here. How can I do this? How am I doing this? This is Windows. You cannot customize it. You cannot do anything. You can barely change the wallpaper. Put in a Linux nerd's arguments about Windows. Well, it's actually something called Rounded TB. You can either go on GitHub and get it. You can probably find an executable on the interweb. I did the GitHub thing because I'm a true nerd. But if you don't want to do that and you want it to be updated like not all the time, but automatically updates and stuff that you don't want to do it by source, you just go into the store and do Rounded TB. And you can see here there is an app. And it takes about, I don't know, 20 megabytes of your RAM when you're using it. And you basically just download it from here. There are some people having issues with it. I have had no issues with it. I've been using it for a long time. But again, I went down and got the GitHub place. And you can see, yes, you can see it where it's, is it this one here? You can show around the corner, close it, run and start up. So if you do show, we can now go in here and we can, let's put it up here. We can now customize some things, the radius and whatnot. If you go into advanced, you can do top margin, bottom margin, other margin, blah, 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 dynamic mode. Show system tray. We could take that away. Show system tray on hover. Translucent, if you want that. Yeah, let's just try. We probably have to click apply. That didn't work. Fuel taskbar been maximized, you know. You could do some basic stuff in here. It's a really neat program. All it does is just makes the taskbar look a little bit more nice. You can see here with the roundness I have here, there's a little bit of it's not perfect, but if you want to spice up your desktop a little bit, you know, just spice it up a little bit. You're a little bit boring on that like bloop bar below there. Yeah, go and mess around with this here. It can spice up your desk bar a little bit. What does this do? Oh, that was way too much. What about 0? So let's do 3. And again here we can do the corner radius. You can see now it's getting really no corner radius. I can't even remember what I had it at. Let's just change it a little bit for the sake of changing it. Maybe 30? Yeah, 30. A little bit less rounded. You go in here, go nuts. You know, go nuts. And like I said, it takes almost no resources. Let's go in here and see if we can figure out what it takes. If we do name, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, we have search in here. Here, 25 megabytes of memory, about 0.2% CPU. You're not. If you have more than 4 gigabytes of memory, this should not be an issue. This should not be an issue for you. Don't like. If you can run Windows 10 and 11, this is not an issue with, or should not be an issue. And if I'm not mistaken, this program works on both Windows 10 and 11. I hope this little quickie here was okay for you guys. If you want more of these little quick videos, let me know. I have a lot of small programs that I use that I don't feel could fit in with a big long video. Maybe I can make like a collection video of them, but then people are only interested in one of the programs, and why do I have to watch 5-10 minutes to just get this program? People always bitch and moan. But anyway, let me know down below. Have an amazing day. Go try out Rounded TB. I personally have never had any issue with it in VirtualBox. I may even install it on my physical machine just to spice things a little bit up. If you know about it, have used it, let me know. Good, bad, in between, what you think about stuff like that. Do you want to see more Windows customization? Please, and all of that fucking shit. See you all later. Bye bye.